everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of your turning on your notification or fixing your notification problems in WhatsApp. So if you are having trouble in notification problem in WhatsApp, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working your way up. So stick with me till the end, and one of these is bound to work. So let's start with the quickest fix. So if you are having any notification problem issues in WhatsApp, then first you just need to go to your option settings, and after going on settings you can need to go to the option like notification, scroll it up and search for the option notification. There you go, and tap on the option notification, and after that scroll it up and search your related app in which you are facing notification error. For now that is WhatsApp. There you can see your WhatsApp and go to the option, and there at the top here you can see the allow notification. You just need to turn on your or enable your notification bar, and then here you can see your WhatsApp notification is on. Now WhatsApp will announce all your notifications from your notification bar or in your screen. So that's how you can just turn on your notifications from settings. And if you are still facing errors, then there might be any kinds of updating errors too. So to update your app to the latest version, you just need to go to App Store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and update your app accordingly. As I am iOS user, I will visit my app WhatsApp. After searching the app WhatsApp, then here you can see your app WhatsApp. So if there is any kinds of update available, tap on the update button. Sometimes login issues or any kinds of notification issues or voice message issues or chatting issues, video call issues might be occurred due to your outdated version of the app. So you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. So if updating did not help, it's time to reinstall your app again. So to reinstall your app, you just need to go to your settings, and after going on settings you need to go to the option general, tap on the option general and go to the option iPhone storage, and again search the app WhatsApp, and there you see the offload app. Tap on the offload app and confirm it, and there will be the option reinstall app. There you see there is the option reinstall app, and tap on the option reinstall app, and your WhatsApp will be reinstalled on your device with the very latest and newest version of it. And in many cases this is the final fix that solves the stubborn problems in WhatsApp or in any other kinds of apps. So and then there you go, one of these methods should have helped you get back into your WhatsApp account. And if it did, let me know in our comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like some simple tech fixes like this, then consider subscribing for more to our channel. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with the next tutorial video. Thank you.